వెల్కమ్ టు మహాలక్ష్మి థాట్స్ అండి. నా వీడియోని మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూసినట్లయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అప్పుడే నా న్యూ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్నీ మీకు వస్తాయి. ఈరోజు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ సాఫ్ట్ స్కిల్స్ attributes to communicate effectively with patients. Introduction. Soft skills are a combination of people skills, social skills, communication skills, character or personality traits, attributes, career attributes, social intelligence, and emotional intelligence. Quotients. Here spelling mistake is there. Then among other that enable people to navigate their environment, work well with other, performing well and achieve their goals with complementing hard skills. Definition of soft skills. Soft skills are defined as desirable qualities for certain forms of employment that do not depend on acquired knowledge. They include common sense, the ability to deal with people, and a position flexible attitude. Then soft skills are personal attributes that enable someone to interact effectively and harmoniously with other people. Next concept. Soft skills are a clusters of productive personality traits that characterize one relationships in a million. These skills can include social graces, communication abilities, language skills, personal habits, cognitive or emotional empathy, time management, teamwork, and leadership traits. A definition based on review literature explains soft skills as an umbrella term for skill under three key functional elements are social skills, people skills, and personal cased attributes. These are the three main elements. Then coming to importance of soft skills. Soft skills are required by an individual not only to enter into the workplace but also to sustain oneself in the workplace as they help in. Then taking proper decision and handling interpersonal relationships, communicating with others properly and effectively, and gaining professional development and having good impact or impression on others. Then coming to objectives of soft skills. Inspiring leadership, excellence and dynamic communication. Then optimizing managerial effectiveness, enhancing team building and time management skills, and enhancing public speaking and presentation skills, and providing motivational training along with practical orientation that help in career visioning and planning. Important attributes of soft skills are communication skills, that is the first one, and professional skills, and third one is interpersonal skills and leadership and creativity. Then coming to communication skills. In that the main important is verbal communication, presentation skills, and third one is listening and public speaking and humor and interviewing and writing. These are the 7 important skills are in communication skills. Then coming to leadership. In leaderships, maintain the team building and supervising, delegation, giving feedback, and strategic planning, decision making, and monitoring. Then coming to interpersonal skills. In that conflict resolutions, network and interpersonal relationships, office politics, and dealing with difficult people, and personal brandings. Then coming to creativity. In that troubleshooting, and problem solving, innovation, design sense, and artistic sense and critical thinking. These are the main important in creativity. Then coming to personal skills, in that taking criticism and enthusiasm, friendliness and work life balance, management and self confidence. Other attributes are manners, eloquence, gracious, courtesy, in that says phases and thank you, and be respectful, adaptability, willing to change, and flex in the flexibility, lifelong learners, accepts new things, adjust and teachable. Integrity, in that honesty, ethical, high morals and personal values, and positive attitude, in that optimistic, enthusiastic and encouraging, happy and confident. Responsibility, in that accountable, reliable, resourceful, self disciplined, conscience and common sense. Then coming to teamwork, cooperation, gets along with others, agreeable, supportive, helpful. Then coming to work ethics, in that hardworking, willing to work, and legal, initiative and self motivated, good attention.